Right, gents, because you're fellow Gardner perverts, I thought you'd quite like a look at me rack there. Take me a bit of farine off, but she's there now. Silky smooth. If you were wondering, and for future reference, if you pull the stop, that should happen. So this rack here should come out to shut your fuel off. There's your stop. Well, she's finally running. Oil pressure's worryingly low, but it's slowly coming up. But she's charging. Smells absolutely wonderful. Oil pressure's up around 2 now, so not too bad. Be just interested to see if she builds any air.